Hi, Vanessa Shaw here, your business growth mentor with the answers to your questions regarding growing your small business. And today we're going to talk about environment, specifically setting up your working environment so that you can be more successful. It's always going to be a reflection of where you're at, and you also want it to be a reflection of where you want to be headed as well. So one of the first things you have to think about environment is who is in your environment. Who are the 5 or 6 people that you are spending most time with? You're going to have different people that are going to lift you up. They're going to be the supporters of you, whatever you do, when the going gets tough and when you're celebrating. There's going to be some people that are frankly just neutral, right? They're neither here nor there. They're neither good or bad. And then there's going to be those group of naysayers that are going to constantly pull you down and second guess. Start to think about who is in your environment so that you can have those people that set you up for success constantly supporting you.